Welcome to Storyville Writing Workshop. In today's video, we'll be discussing the key steps involved in creating compelling characters. Creating interesting characters is one of the most essential aspects of storytelling. Whether you're writing a novel, a screenplay, or a short story, your characters play a critical role in engaging your audience and driving the plot forward. But crafting characters that feel real and resonate with readers can be a challenging task, even for experienced writers. From developing character backstories to giving them unique traits and flaws, these tips will help you create complex, multi-dimensional characters that your readers will remember long after they finish reading your work. Number 1. Give them a strong motivation. Compelling characters are driven by a strong motivation that fuels their actions and decisions. This motivation can be anything from a desire for power, revenge, love, or redemption. By understanding what drives your characters, you can create more complex and believable personalities that readers can empathize with. In Margaret Atwood's novel The Handmaid's Tale, the main character Offred is driven by a strong motivation to survive and find her missing daughter. This motivation fuels her actions and decisions throughout the novel. For example, when Offred is first assigned to the household of the commander, she sees an opportunity to obtain information about her daughter from the commander's wife. Her strong motivation to find her daughter leads her to take risks and make bold decisions, such as forging a relationship with the commander and engaging in an illicit affair with him in order to gain access to information. Similarly, when Offred is offered a chance to escape from the oppressive society of Gilead, her motivation to reunite with her daughter is what ultimately drives her to take the risk and attempt to flee, despite the danger involved. Throughout the novel, Offred's compelling character is defined by her unwavering motivation to survive and find her daughter, which drives her actions and decisions even in the face of incredible adversity. Number 2. Make them flawed. Characters that are too perfect or without flaws can be unrelatable and boring. Flaws make characters more human and interesting, and can create opportunities for character growth and development. These flaws can range from physical imperfections to personality quirks or past traumas that shape their behavior. One example of this statement from a famous novel is the character of Jay Gatsby in Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby. Gatsby is a wealthy and charismatic figure who has built his fortune through illegal means, and his obsessive pursuit of Daisy Buchanan, his former love interest, leads him to engage in reckless and dangerous behavior. Despite his flaws, Gatsby is a complex and sympathetic character who captures the reader's attention and emotions. His flaws make him more relatable and human, and his tragic ending serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of pursuing one's dreams at any cost. Number 3. Show their vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities make characters more relatable and can help readers connect with them on an emotional level. Whether it's a fear of failure or an insecurity, vulnerabilities can make characters more multidimensional and interesting to read about. One example of this statement can be seen in the character of Harry Potter. Throughout the series, Harry displays a range of vulnerabilities that make him more relatable to readers and allow them to connect with him on an emotional level. For instance, Harry is an orphan who has never known the love and affection of his parents. He also struggles with the burden of his fame and the weight of responsibility placed upon him as the chosen one. Additionally, Harry faces numerous challenges throughout the series, including academic struggles, personal losses, and life-threatening situations. These vulnerabilities and challenges make Harry a more complex and multidimensional character, allowing readers to empathize with him and root for his success. They also highlight the universal human experience of facing adversity and overcoming it, making Harry's story more relatable and inspiring to readers of all ages. Number 4. Create a unique backstory. A character's backstory can shape their personality, motivations, and behaviors. By giving your characters a unique backstory that informs who they are, you can create more dynamic and memorable personalities. This can include past traumas, family history, or life experiences that have shaped their worldview. One example of this statement can be seen in the character of Katniss Everdeen from Suzanne Collins' novel The Hunger Games. Katniss's unique backstory helps to create a dynamic and memorable personality that is central to the story. Katniss comes from District 12, the poorest district in Panem, and is forced to provide for her family by hunting in the surrounding woods. This background shapes her into a fierce and independent survivor who is willing to do whatever it takes to protect those she loves. Katniss also has a complicated history with the Capitol and the Hunger Games, having lost her father in a mining accident and volunteering as a tribute to save her sister from the games. Her experiences in the games and her ongoing fight against the Capitol continue to shape her personality and actions throughout the series. By giving Katniss this unique and complex backstory, Collins creates a character that is both relatable and memorable. Readers are drawn to Katniss's strength, courage, and determination, while also empathizing with her struggles and emotional turmoil. This, in turn, makes the story more engaging and emotionally resonant for readers. Number 5. Use dialogue to reveal character. Dialogue can be a powerful tool for revealing a character's personality, motivations, and beliefs. The way a character speaks, their word choices, and tone can all give readers insight into who they are. By crafting distinctive dialogue for your characters, you can create more dynamic and memorable personalities. One example of this statement can be seen in the character of Holden Caulfield in Salinger's novel The Catcher in the Rye. Throughout the novel, Holden's dialogue provides insight into his personality, motivations, and beliefs. Holden is a complex and troubled character who is struggling to find his place in the world. He is disillusioned with society and often expresses his frustrations and criticisms through his dialogue. For example, Holden frequently uses sarcastic and ironic language to critique the phoniness of the adult world. Holden's dialogue also reveals his innermost thoughts and feelings. He speaks candidly about his depression, loneliness, and feelings of alienation, allowing readers to understand his motivations and experiences on a deeper level. Furthermore, Holden's use of language reflects his unique voice and perspective. He speaks in a colloquial and informal style, using slang and informal grammar to express himself. This adds to the authenticity of his character and makes him more relatable to readers. Overall, Holden's dialogue is a powerful tool that Salinger uses to reveal his character's personality, motivations, and beliefs. It allows readers to understand and empathize with Holden, making him a memorable and enduring character in American literature. In conclusion, creating compelling characters is a crucial element of any great story. By utilizing these 5 techniques, writers can bring their characters to life in ways that captivate readers and keep them engaged throughout the story. Whether you are writing a novel, a screenplay, or a short story, taking the time to craft interesting and multi-dimensional characters will elevate your work and make it stand out to readers. Well, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to the channel.